If you're a company with a phone system and maybe you've got 1 to 5 users, SME sector, small medium enterprise, then what are the benefits of moving to Voip? So a lot more flexibility of being able to have your staff working from home. We've got applications allowed people to use on their mobile phone, their desktop, to be able to communicate with the office and internally, externally. Being able to edit and change hunt groups, have an auto attendant, and really giving you a little bit layer of flexibility to your phones that you maybe don't currently have. One of the benefits of working with simplicity with your Voip system though is we're as hands-on and hands-off as you want us to be. So our service team will do the changes for you if you require, but if you've got a tech team, maybe you're techie yourself, and want to make the changes yourself, then you can absolutely do that. If you have a phone system at the minute and are looking to get a lot more out of it, then reach out to Simplicity Group, because we can really help tailor a solution for you. Whether it's you want more flexibility with your phone system, you maybe want to integrate into other tools, you want to record your calls, our specialists at Simplicity Group will sit down with you, help you understand what you're getting with your current phone system and what areas you would like to improve. So reach out to Simplicity Group and we can really help tailor the right solution for you.